What he's doing?
The sparks flying to your face.
Get some water. Go put it in water.
Shit! Hurry up!
Shit's like hot. YouTube.
But I didn't cut you.
Shit, hot. Fuck handcuffs.
Look at this.
I think we can pop them off.
Hey, we need a flat screwdriver right there. To pop the
Hey, look, get the. Oh, no.
Come here, I
got no pain with a sawzall. There's a grinder here. You trying to poke me with a
Let me
knife.
see it. Where's the light? See what? See the round piece right there? That piece got to come out.
You gonna pop it out?
Yeah, when we get it pops it out that way. But we can grind both sides. See the way?
No, you can
No,
put
not that one.
We can put that right there and pop it out with a hammer.
If I had that hunting put on, I had.
Hold it back
Perfect
again. Let
little
me grind a little bit more so that way.
Hey.
Look this way.
Be damn safe.
He knows what he's doing.
Gonna add water to it for
Go get some water.
Yeah. Dude, this is so good on YouTube. I'm gonna put it on my Facebook page.
Now we need to get a hammer to top it out, see if it come out.
Just tell you, I don't think you can pass it out.
There we go.
Yeah, well.
It's just a ribbon.
You got it ground right in.
Oh shit.
Yeah, but it ain't. The idea is sound.
Let me see the
face and
You can feel it right there.
get the other side.
But I was thinking it's more along the lines of just prying right there open.
Yeah. And then it should just come right out.
Yeah.
Just pop the screwdriver right there.
And kind of turn it a little bit.
Hey, what's the ass in it too?
No, we got plenty of shit right here. Alan, come here. We're not done with you.
Come here.
All right, let me ask you what we were just talking about. Come here.
Yeah.
Is there a way we could just pop it right here?
Yeah, we got a flat screwdriver somewhere. I got a screwdriver at home. That's my truck. We go try to find.
Oh, well one.
Why are you shaking, Alan? There it goes.
Yeah.
It's opening.
It's coming, look. See
Yeah.
right there, look.
Yeah. Keep going.
I said, hell yeah. Get this
Leave
shit
him
out
alone.
They told me to keep him out of here.
Alright, we're good now.
There it goes.
And the shit out of it.
there. I said, fuck you in your handcuffs.
Yeah.
There you go. You should have it now. It's on.
Yeah, I got my suction back. There we go.
Your suction?
There you go. Here you go.
Suction.
You got your suction back now?
Yeah. Turn it sideways.
You got the key out.
Look.
See, I tell you, that's the only way you're gonna be doing it is take it that one. I didn't cut you, right?
Hell no. I was lucky there.
Hey, you want your own set of handcuffs now?
Hell yeah, let's always do that.
Hey, come here. Open this back up. Let me put this back in there.
I got personal grinding, man.
Alan, grab that side. We're gonna open it.